Hi everyone, this is Kelsey from ShopVue, and I'll be walking you through our machine status dashboard today. This is a real-time or up-to-the-minute dashboard that's meant to answer questions like, what are my machines doing, what are they working on, and who's working on the machine. At the top of this dashboard there are 4 filters here: Department, Work Center, Machine, and Machine Status. So if I click on any of these filters, a drop-down menu will appear where I can search for a specific value, or I can drag my mouse to multi-select. And you'll notice that every time I make a selection or clear a selection and click, the dashboard is kind of rebuilt so that it's always displaying the data that's relevant to my selection, so the data that I care about. Right now I'm filtered on a department called D2. If I was the manager or supervisor of this department, I could come over here and create a new bookmark so that every time I open this dashboard, it's always filtered to the data set that I care about. On the right is some text that will let the front-end user know how recent this data is, so you'll be able to see when the last time this app was loaded. For each machine, we will see the machine state, how long it's been in this machine state, in the part and order that the machine is working on. If there's quantity good and scrap reported at the machine, that will also be called out in this visualization. And lastly, if there's an employee, that will also always be listed. If there are multiple employees, parts, or orders, that will appear on the dashboard as well.